Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you the top settings of how can you easily make your iPhone 17 faster. At first, open settings over here. Now scroll down to the display and brightness over here and open naked glass. Make this option tinted instead of clear because clear uses many resources of your system. Now go back and go to the battery. Go to charging and enable optimized battery charging. Now go back, open power mode and disable power mode, adaptive power over here. Now go back, scroll down to the general, switch from the general, scroll even further so that you can see background refresh, tap it and tap off. And this should make your iPhone very fast. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.